So let's import the data. I think you already have the data in your this thing. Is it loading there? Yes. So we load the data set inside the file. So but the thing is that when we are writing our DAX query the other day, we want to create table. What's the DAX query we are going to use? So and what is the full meaning of DAX? According to okay. Is it table view? Okay. Let me just go through that before we start normal class. I think Edif Jeba. So now we want to look at the and how to create a new table and all. So I'm going to show you step by step. But the thing that okay. Now what? And also I will teach you how to do that relationship again. After we review that, we are going to start template in our chat. So if God permit us, we can build a dashboard today. So we want to look at how to do everything. So and also this is our data set actually. So in form of that. The next thing I would love for to check is just date. So and everything is accurate. I think the data type and all is very good. So now let's close and apply. So it's working. So if not arranged well, do you know what you are going to do? You change the data type, right? And make it clear. So we want to look at how to how to build a relationship, how to create a new measurement and all in Power BI. So we already have our data sets to be sales data. It's going to now. It's coming up. So for the we're also going to do the measurement actually. So I will leave that measurement to how to calculate the sum, how to calculate the average, how to calculate what again? The upper this thing. So we also have what do you call it? The highest total revenue, so on and so forth. So we need to use that too. Just a review before we start the normal class for today. So now let me let me build the relationship before we go ahead to that. So we create a table, then build a relationship. I click on close and apply from the Power Query. So that will make it to be loading like this. So inside my workbook, I'm going to start using it for work. Your own is not loading like this. Okay. So actually, we will not create more table here, but I will just show you how to go about. It's just a refreshment because I already do it in the first class. So, but I will break it down in the simplest form so that you're able to understand the concept behind everything. So our data has been loaded. So and it's called sheet one here. So let's rename it to sales data. So you click on this dot here where you see more option. After you click on it, then you now click on rename. So rename sales data. So after you name it, it's going to load for a while. Then you're going to rename it here at the top here. You see this one, that's the sheet one. It's going to say to sales data. This one here. So that's the name that you already give for your data set. So if you are going to write any query, that's what it's going to obey. That's the command it's going to obey. So since already done that, now let's create tables. So let's create some tables. You will come to model view. It's not table view, it's model view. Are you there? So when you get to model view, you go to table view. Table view is just to fill your data set, you understand? To fill the range of your data set, how is it being, like maybe the headings of it, the data value that is there and everything, you understand? So that's for the table view. So it's going to show you the rows and the columns of your data set, the total amount of the list of your data set, and it's also going to show you the column names of each of your data sets. So that's for the table. But here we are talking about modeling. That's where we create a model for your data set. You understand? Maybe you want to add up some tables, you can build it there, or you want to create some measurements, some average, total sales, total kini understand. So you can build that in this model view. So it's like creating a model for your data set. So and the most common things we use there is called DAX, and that is data analysis expression. So we make use of that DAX here. Understand? So now when you come to model view, it's going to show you your table, sales data. So and it's also going to list everything that is inside for you. At this side, everything here is here. You understand? So here now I want to create table. We come to new table. So when you click on new table, it's going to load and it's going to bring a table for you. So you are the one to use query like DAX to rename it. So you delete the first one, then write the product. Are you following? Product is equal to distinct. So the distinct is what you are going to use to create your table. Understand? So it says sales data. Then after that, we want to look for product. So let's use product name. So after you use product name, then you close it, then you commit it. You want to build a new table for products for you. So the one that is inside is product name, right? So if you want to connect both together, is the product name you are going to use to connect it together with it. So I've done with that. Then click on new table again to build another table. So here we want to build a table for, let's say, um what do we have in our data? We have customer, right? Let's build a table for, let's say, customers is equal to distinct. This one is loading again. I haven't finished my query now. It's in long. So distinct open bracket says data open bracket says data. So then after you open the bracket, I says data. Let's find the customer ID here. So after you put the customer ID, close the bracket, then commit it. So it's going to create table for you called customer. So and what's going to be inside this customer ID? As simple as that. Can you see that? Now we also want to create a table. Can you see create more table? So you are going to create this one now. So let's say new table here. Then after you click on new table, it's loading for us. So let me give you this. Create table for category. Yeah. Have you done it? Have you built table for product and customers? So write categories. Okay. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your screen. Okay, now no worry. Let me just do it there. Let me do correction here. We have this thing. Okay, no problem. So distinct, then write sales data. After that, open the bracket, then write categories. When the categories here, then you close bracket, commit it. So what's going to be there is what category. So now we already built a table to do this. So let me carry this one here so that you're able to see all our tables all together. So now we have customer table, we have product table, we have category table. So all are together. Now I want to connect this one together to be as a ones. So let's carry this one here, the product name, put it inside this one because that's what we put there. So when you place that one, it's going to open this new relationship for you. You understand? So check this part cardinality to be many to one. So if it's many to one, then you leave it. So here, if it's single, you leave it. But it's not if it's not single, there's error in your connection. That means what you connect there is wrong. Understand? So you now save it. After you save it, it's going to connect together. So you can see that product has been connected. So now let's carry customer ID from here down to customer. So then save that one too as well. So it will be connected. So now let us carry also what again? Category, right? Carry that one too down to this part. So then save that one too. So all has been connected now. So it has been together. So and also okay, I think that's the only three we built, right? So we want to create a measurement. Want to create a measurement. Let's say we want to calculate total. Let's create. If you want to create a measurement, you will click on what? Like oh, new measure good. So we click on new measures to calculate a new measurement. If you want to find total profit, for instance. So we want to find total profit, for instance. So let's say that this one is profit. We have profit here. We also have total sales, right? So let's say that we want to find the total sales first. Total sales is equal to SUM. That's the sum. So after you write sum, then you press save data. After you write save data, then you open the bracket. small bracket like this. Then you now click on what do you call it? Total sales here. So then close it. After you close it, then commit it. It's going to calculate. You made a mistake. So here, let's remove it from this place because you are still clicking on this category. That's why you went to go and calculate inside. So before you do any calculation, any measurement, click on this one here, this large data set. You understand? Are you there? So that it's going to be calculating here inside the sales data. You understand? So you now click on new measure. Sorry about that. So now after that we click on let's say total sales, right? Total sales, then open your bracket is equal to sum. Then after you write sum, then open your bracket. Okay, his bracket has opened already. Then you write sales data. This is the dash you're going to use. Then you click on sales data, then close the bracket. So after that, click on this. So if your this thing work, you will know it here because it's going to show here total sales. It's going to calculate here like this total sales. Understand? So now we have it there. Then the next one, let's say we want to calculate measurement for let's say average. Let's find average. Which one can we calculate here guys? Let me check this one. Okay, we have quantity sold. Let's say that I want to find the quantity sold average. Are you there? Let's say average quantity. Abi? So let's say average quantity, right? So then press equal to, then write average. After I write the average, then you write sales data. See, this one is very simple than Excel concept. Abi it's not simple. It's very simple than Excel now. You know Excel, you just be writing formula, you be highlighting, shim, shim, shim. So this one is fast. You just write square, then you get your answer, pim, just like that. You're not stressing yourself. So now I want to find the quantity. It's quantity sold, right? So you click on quantity sold, close it, then commit it. So it's going to calculate average quantity for us. So we have average quantity calculation here, this this page. So now we are done with that. Now let's do some measurement again. Let's do measurement for profit. So click on this one, name method. Are you there? So say that can you find total profit or to find the okay, let's find the total profit. The total profit is going to be that is the sum, right? Yeah, finish it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what do you is it done, right? So so I'm done. But after that profit here, do you have it in your table? Says data like this. So can we still do one more measurement again? Or we are good to go? So let's go to okay, let's do one more so that our KPI can be 4. What can we do again? So let's find the we have average quantity, category, genders, the KPI that we need. Okay, unit price. Okay, let's find the total for unit price. Or we should find the average of unit price. So the average of unit price. Okay, click on new measurement. So click on new measurement. Want to find the average av- average of unit price. Okay, average unit price, right? So average unit price is going to be what? Average sales data. So click on unit price. Here's our unit price. Sales data. Then open this one. Unit price is this. So now we close it, then commit it. So we have our unit price here. The average unit price is already here. So that's all. So now after we calculate our KPI, I already get our KPI ready. So we can now go and do the data visualization. You come to report view here. So when you get to report view, let me just teach you some basic features in Power BI. You understand? So how to do some basic features in it before we go to real work. So are you ready? Okay. I want to look at this part. Click on insert here. When you get to insert, then let's click on shape. So when you click on shape, come here. So when the shape is here, just bold it a bit. So this one I just want to be using it to title my chart so that you're able to see it clearly. You understand? So we come to view. When we get to view, you can shade the font. Now I love yellow. So now here we want to let me use another one. Which color do you like? Color blue. Okay, let's do blue. So here now we have this. Then now let's insert the chart we want to plot. Let's say that I want to plot come I want to start from the scratch so that I'm able to understand. Okay. Do you know card? Card. Do you know card in Power BI? Don't know. Okay, I'm coming. Do you know this thing? This one. You don't know it. This one is called card. See? This one is KPI features. So anything numbers is one that is going to visualize it for you. So let me come here now. Let me title this one. Click on title, go on general. Then let me title it. On this title here, are you there? After you on it, then you now title your this thing that you create. Let's say that create a okay. Let me use capital letter. Create a card visuals. The reason why I'm starting with the card is because whenever you want to create KPI, you know that KPI is the first things you are going to do before any other thing, you understand? So that is why I'm starting with it. So okay, let me leave it. Let's say let me leave it not to white. Then let me shade the background color to blue as you want it. So okay, let me make it corresponding with each other. So now you can still now bold it, increase it to like you can increase it to any of your choice. For me, I will increase it like let's say 50 sha, 50 is okay. So we have it to be this. Then you can now center it here. You see. So a card visuals. So you want to create a card visuals. This is how to go about that. You will click on card. After you click on card, are you there? This one now, this one here. Maybe features in visualization. Ní visualization ẹ máa jẹ́ kó tàn jáde báyìí. If it's minimal like this, you click on this shoot see in the shoot. And if you create this one and it's locking up like this for you and you don't see it, just come and click on this shim. Okay, this is where you are going to click oh. You come and click on your work. Má padà sórí iṣẹ́ yín báyìí. So you click on this anywhere on this one, it's going to show your features back for you. Click on this part now, níbi iṣẹ́ yín gangan. Click on any empty place níbí báyìí, níbí báyìí. Ẹ kàn click ẹ̀. This is the card 1 2 3. You will see 1 2 3 on this sign. Click on it. It's going to come up like this. So for us to use card now, you will come and click on let's say total profit abi. So you click on provide total profit. Total profit. Okay, let me use total sales. Total sales is going to be on the feed. Carry to the feed like this, you will see it. So our total feed is abi total sales I mean. Total sale is 4.21 million. Can you see that? Okay, what is that? Mm, no. When you want to type it, you come here to general here. Then you click on title. You make this thing on. It's not on before you on it. After you on it, then you come down here and write your title for your chart. You understand? Even from here gan, you can change the background of your chart. So I change the background to blue. So and also the text to white. Yeah, you understand? And if you want to bold it, you can still bold it here. If you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to change the font, you can change the font there. Understand? So this is where to change the font. This place. Do you see it now? So that's all. So that's how to create cards. You can also create another one oh. Let's carry this data says abi. Let's find the average. Let's carry average quantity. This average quantity. Can you see it? Let's carry um average unit to the this thing. This average unit. Can you see it? So if you want to create any card, that's how to go about that. This one is not working. It's having error. And what do you call it? Total profit abi. Is delete the model because the query is not correct. That's why. So now we have our this thing here like this, like this. So we are still going to do that. What do you delete now? total profit abi. So we are still going to redo it. So let's click on this. So right, total profit. Oh, abi total profit is not oh, okay. Maybe from the data set we did not transform it to be in numerics, but let me do it finish. So we have the sum, then after I write the sum, then it says data. Are you there? Then you open the bracket to be this. Then you come down, search for profit. So this is the profit, right? So then you close it, commit it. Now it's working perfectly now. Can you see it? There's no error there. So now you can now carry this one and carry it to the feeds here nearby. Carry it like this, put it there. Can you see? This is the total profit that has been calculated. So that's how to get it. Do you understand? If you click on the profit here too, for instance, carry this. You see, is it the same thing? So, but now this one make it more professional. So if you see this one, you know that this is calculation. Understand? Using DAX. So now, if you want to see the color background of this one now, let's use for instance, we want to change the color background. You come down here. After you click on this one, click on this part. Then the color label right there. Then say that I want to change it to color of your this thing to blue or black or anything. So you can change it there. So and also you want to change the background or you want to change the font, you want to make it to bold, understand? So you can do that one. If you want to remove this. Okay, this is it. You will click on this one here, card. After you click on it, it's going to come here. You understand? So you now come here. Let's say that you want to use average or you want to use total profit for instance. So you come and carry it to the feed, maybe by feed. Now níbi ìsàlẹ̀ yẹn ẹ máa gbé sí feed. Tó bá ti gbé sí feed, it's going to show for you. Do you see it? Ṣé ẹ ti ṣe? So that's how to go about it. So since I already calculate the card now and I already get the card value. So let's do another features. Yes or no? If it's not yes, you can ask your question. Do you have any question? Ẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ẹ bá ti ṣe eléyìí tán, tẹ́ ń pé ẹ ti parí eléyìí for instance, tẹ́ ń pé ẹ ti ṣe KPI eléyìí and you are already done like this with this. So for instance now, carry this one, place it there. So just press Control C, Control V, you copy and paste. You understand? Then you create another one again. So here you can decide to take total sales to it. Then for this one too, are you there? Carry it and place another one again. Let's say you want to put average, okay, you carry to the foot. So that's how you be creating it, you be creating it for everything, you understand? So for everything, for every of your work. So that's how to go about that. So do you get that? So I've created our KPI now. So that's how to use card features. So can we go to another features? Okay, let's do for oh yeah, give me one. Give me one that we can do. It's not showing abi? Total sales. I told you that the query is not correct before. Okay, the total sales, please share your screen. No, it's not total sales, total profit that we calculate is not correct. But this one is out of I already corrected it. For total sales, look at the queries there at the top there. Total sales is equal to sum open bracket. So if it's not like this, then it's an error there. You have to you have to redo it. Okay. Now let me come here and change the title to create create a bar chart. So how can you create a bar chart? Want to create a bar chart now first. So this is what I'm going to do. You will click on bar. You will see bar here. Bar. Can you see it? We have talk bash, start bar chart. We also have what again? Yeah, stack bar chart. So you click on stack bar chart. It will come up and it will come up like this. You can drag it to your taste, any level you want it to be. So after that, you will now carry depend on you o, but what you want to visualize, you understand. So let's say we want to drag region to X, region should be in X. Then for Y, let me drag total sales, total sales to Y. So total sales is going to Y at this. Region is into Y axis. Wait o, why this chart is not like this chart is not looking fine o. Let me remove this. So let's replot it again. Let's use category instead. Are you there? For what do you call it? For bar chart, let's use region with this part. But I think the region is not giving me what I want. That revenue not also giving me what I want. Cannot give me what I want. I'm looking at the one that's going to go very well. So if you have region in X, for example, let me carry this. Region is in X axis. So our Y is something like image profit for instance. Profit for each region. The profit for each region. This data set is very large. Oh. This data set is very large. Let me use category. That's why now you don't see it. That it not show some strengths, some lines at all. It's very large. So you see the category now, it's very obvious. So you can see it very clearly because categories I think is only have books, the home appliance, the fashions, groceries, toys, electronics. Those are the categories. So it's very obvious. It's not that much. You understand? So if you look at the total sales here, can you see it? 4.2 millions a day. It's too much. So now we have it. Our these are our chart. These are bar chart. Do you understand? So let's also plot another chart below this. So let's plus column chart. We want to plot the column chart. Are you there? Okay. Now, with this a little experience you have, can you single-handedly point out column chart there from that thing? Now where is the column chart? This one here. This one is the column chart, right? Shebi this is the column chart. I'm asking you now, you no answer me again. So now let's drag categories to X at the top. Then now let's that says here go on the value. So this is our column chart. Can you see it? So going to be standing while the bar chart is going to be bending. So that's just the difference. You understand? So and if you want to see filters, want to filter your data, you can come here to filter feed. You add filter. This one here, add feed. So under the filter here, you can drop it down, sort it. Once you sort any data, you can sort it here. You can sort from A to Z, you can sort from B to Z, anything. So this is the filters. Can you see it? So when you want to sort all, you can sort all. Once you sort for small, you can sort for small. Let's say that you want only, let's say you want only book. You see, this is only book. You want book and electronics. These are this. If you want grocery, you want the fashion to add it up. So, and if you want all, this all. Understand? So you can filter your this thing here. See, filter on the pictures. Do you get that? So can you also pause another chat? Or we should start building our dashboard. Though we are doing it already. So now you have know how to do the cards. So these are KPIs already here. So when you want to build your dashboard, this is how to start. So already have your KPI ready. Then let's say we want to select this, select this, select this, select this. So after I select now, I want to this one. Let me come to let me go to label, category label. Let me hold it. So I want the I want this thing to be at the top. My label should be at the top of my works. You understand? So if you want it to be at the top, then click on it, come to general. So under the call label, you open that. So let me go to general and title my table. On this, then title your table. So this one, what title are you going to give it? Write total sales, total sales or something like that. After you write like this, it's going to be at the top instead of underneath like before, you understand? So it has changed to top now. So and if you want to bold it, you can bold it. You want to center it, you can center it. You want to increase it, you get, you can increase it. So to fit to the normal this thing for you. So let's say you want to center it now. So and the color here, you can change the color. You want to change it to let me let me change the background. Let me change the background. Let me change the background to something like this. Can you see it? So these are dashboard. Here, if you want to change this one to again to let's say let's change the titles to um company sales data. So it has changed the dashboard to this company sales data. So these are KPI. So and the KPI here, if you don't want it like this, in this kind of color, you can also change that one too. Let me run this. Then you come here under the call out. Do you see it? So you can change the background too. So if you don't want it to be in black color, so you can change it to any color of your choice depending on you. You understand? So and the decimal, if you want to remove decimal, you don't want decimal to be appearing. Come here, change am to zero. Understand? You're going to remove all the decimal. And if you want decimal to appear, you can still leave it like that. You understand? So now, if you want to display the unit, you can display it from here too as well. Then what again? You want to change the font, you come here, change the font here. So to any of your choice. You understand? So now I'm coming. Let me now change the background color. Subtitle. For the subtitle, we have subtitle here. So let's change this. Subtitle is not there already. So we already closed that one. We already off it. So now we want to the text is black. You want to change the background of the text, you can change it here. Can you see that? So and now this one too. Let's say that we want to give this one name. Kí tiẹ̀ lélẹ̀ náà, ṣé total sales kọ́ ni? 4.2. Is total sales? So what is now this one? Let me change this one then. Okay, total profit. Good. So let's change it to total profit. So we have it to be total profit. Okay, profit. Ah, what am I typing? So now we have it to be total profit. Right? Why this one is total what? Total sales. So the next one is what? So let's center this one too. I'll come here, center it. So it has been centered. So this one too, let's title it to be average average what? Average quantity quantity sold. So that's it. You can bold it, increase it. Are you following? So now let me reduce small. So Then here, let us also give this one name too. Kí lorúkọ ẹ̀? It's not average unit. Average unit. Then after you put increase it. Eh? What is it? Okay. Instead of average quantity sold, abi? So we change it. Average unit price. Is average unit price? Okay. So now we are done with our KPI. It has been done. So now here the next thing that we want to change this color to, just come here and call out navy, then change it to any of your color, any of your wishes. So that's all. So yeah, you want to build your pictures, you can build any kind of pictures, any of your choice. You understand? Are you following? Belewa. Say get a baby. So if you want also to build another dash, you can build it. So this one now, let's say you want to increase the font. So you come here under the x-axis title that has been open already. So increase the title. So it's going to come up neat. Then now for the color, you can leave it like this or change it to any of your choice. So and then we also have the value that we got, all that one. Let's change it to normal black, cover in black, so that you're able to visualize it very well. So and for the okay, the title, we have title to be good. So here we have the headings. Now go to general. Now when you get to general, you want to change the normal title here at the top. So you can change this title at the top by going to general, then you click on title, understand. Then after that, if you want to change the color, you can still change the color to any of your choices. Let me use, I don't see my, okay. So then after you are done, okay. This one will not sharp. Oh. Which color can I use? Let me use red. Something red. Yeah. This one is sharp a little. So then after that, we also want to create more charts. Can still build chart. Let's create pie chart, for instance. So then let's carry what do you call it? Regions into filter to the legend. For the pie chart, I would love something that have something like percentage that's related to, you understand, related to percentage. So we have total sales, we have the um total profit, And also, what again? We have the gender categories. So category is good for pie chart actually. So you can use either categories. So let me carry categories to be on the legend. So and total sales to be on follow. So both can work together to become one forever. So we have this in features for us. You understand? So this is a pie chart. So and if you want to change the font, you know how to go about that. Go to general, change title, maybe with then increase the font. So you can even center itself if you want. So you see, this one too, you can center it. After that, if you feel like changing the background, you can change the background though. Depend on you. If you want to, you can change it. If you want to, you can change it. So let's change this one. Change it. Then the font letter. I think even the black is very good now. Black show now. So here we have this. This is the pie chart. So if you want to do more, you can still do more, do more, do more, do more like that. So if you want to build more charts, you can still build more charts. But based on the what do you call it? Based on the project we are going to do, it's called HR. So I'm going to do everything from A to Z for you. So whereby you are going to perform all the analysis, building all the dashboards and everything by you from the scratch to the very end. You understand? So can we continue or we should stop here tonight? Ah, okay. You know, I know. You know walk along Abi. So sorry about that. If you know something, we'll be able to be stammer. So that's what caused the fasting. So I'm sorry about that. So no problem. You're welcome. I will send the question actually. I will send the assignment to the group and I will send you the video so that you can watch it later. Let me check it. So, Shisha. Yes, so let me see.